Hi, I have received a planner from you that I think it's faulty, as I can't adjust the minimum maximum depth of cutting the wood. That's the maximum that I can do. It's 1 going to 0, and it doesn't do anything to the blade. As you can see, it doesn't move. If I try even, it's just tightening. So 0. I can go over it, but I will have to put it on the side. As you can see, the blade is moving, what it shouldn't do. It doesn't stay intact. And the only way I can do it is on the side and just open it. That spins actually just deassembling it. So now you can see it's all wobbly. So I think the planner is faulty. I have read few opinions about that on internet, and loads of people's got problems with that. You can see it on B&Q webpage as well, what they are selling this for a few quid already. So that's it. Now it's again, oh, now it's even on 1, not on 0, and I can't spin it anymore. All the time the front part is moving the blade. That should be stable, should be stiff, and it shouldn't move.